current role is a manufacturing apprentice, and the reason I applied for it is because I've always been more hands-on with my work. I just love the idea of using my hands to create something instead of sitting in a classroom. And especially the reason for Caterpillar is because I see the amount of opportunities as well as the ladder to climb, and it just really intrigues me. The challenges I faced was most likely be just getting used to a new environment and getting used to your surroundings, because obviously there's a lot of things going on, there's a lot of machines moving about, there's a lot of forklifts, there's a lot of tools. It's just getting used to like, the whole kind of situation of like fitting in and learning how to do your job effectively. I'd say the thing I enjoy most is getting paid to learn, but also it's the fact that I'm getting these skills that I keep forever, and there's a chance to climb the ladder here, which is like what I really like about it.